metals are the most malleable metal? Its correct answer is gold and silver. Moving to the next question. Which metal is the most ductile metal? Its correct answer is gold. Moving to the next question. Which two metals are the best conductor of heat? Its correct answer is silver and copper. Moving to the next question. Which metal is the bad conductor of heat? Its correct answer is lead. Moving to the next question. Non-metals are either solid or gas except. Its correct answer is bromine. It is in liquid state. Moving to the next question. All metals exist in solid state at room temperature except. Its correct answer is mercury. Moving to the next question. Name the two metals which will melt when you keep them in your palm. Its correct answer is gallium and cesium. Moving to the next question. Iodine is lustrous. Is it metal or non-metal? Its correct answer is non-metal. Moving to the next question. Name the hardest natural substance known to human. Its correct answer is diamond. Moving to the next question. I have three metals which I can easily cut with knife. Name these three metals. Its correct answer is lithium, sodium and potassium. And that's the end of the video. I hope you have done well and learned something new. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then subscribe it and help me to grow this channel. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.